Can you walk me through HPCC? What is it? How did it come about?
Sure. HPCC came to us about 10 years ago. We've been doing big data, as you know, for over 10 years, and it got too costly. It got too slow using traditional relational databases and systems, commercially available systems. So we invented this technology, which is a cluster technology. We basically divide a big problem into many small problems. We tackle them, and then we get all the results together. Similar to what you see in other companies doing right now with clustering. So we developed it 10 years ago. We've been perfecting it over the years. It's now, pretty well production level enterprise solution, and we open sourced it a few months ago, 3 months ago.
So, after 10 years, you decided to go the open source route. What was the decision behind that?
Well, it was hard because, after 10 years, so much investment, why are we going to do it, right?
Sure.
But if you look at what other technologies that have been closed, they disappear, they become irrelevant. So we saw that the market was right. There's other people doing big data clustering similar to ours. So instead of falling behind and becoming, irrelevant, like other technologies, we decided to open it and get the insight of the community, get different use cases from the community and other users, and that will make our platform better. Remember, we use it to run our business, our multi-billion-dollar business. So the better we get, the better our business gets. Mm-hmm. So it's kind of a way we give and take. Everybody benefits, and we benefit as well because we use it for 90% of our revenue. We use this technology.
So how do you handle scale without building additional data centers?
Yeah, well, now big data growing so much. I tell everybody that our data centers are like airports. Haven't you seen an airport? They're always under construction, right? Sure. We're always shuffling things in and out. But what we eliminate, what I call kill the mainframe, it's kind of a new term I've invented. We eliminate all legacy technology that's pretty bulky, mainframes and relational database servers. Lots of these servers go out the door, they open space, and we put these clusters that are so dense and so powerful that you can save. We never expand our data center. We're always retrofitting internally like an airport, but you never see the airport grow, right? It's always the same airport, same place. So that's what we do. We constantly replace all legacy technology A to Z with our technology because we not only have the data build capability, but we have also data delivery capability. So that allows us to replace both ends of the business problem. And there's, again, technology improving every year, and then we change the blades or the nodes. We get better, faster nodes in less space, so that allows us to keep on growing without changing our data center space.
So you're working within the same footprint?
We're working with the same footprint, but we're adding gobs of capacity based on all these things.
Interesting. So last question I have for you. Now, given your experience in the space, 10 years is a lot longer than a lot of other people in this space. How do you see the data space evolving over the next 2 years or so?
Well, that's a real good question, and I've been thinking about it over the time, and I see the data becoming like a data store. iTunes, that's an app store. I see data becoming in a model similar to that, like a data store where you can put your own data and then you use in a data-intensive supercomputing environment. And once you're done with that data, you generate some results, right? You say, wait a minute, what if I leave them in that data cloud and somebody else wants to use them? Okay, leave them there like an app, right? Somebody else comes with the data, they use the data cloud, and then they see, what about that other data there? Can I use it? Yeah, you need to pay so many cents, etc., some entitlement. We take a little cut, for example, and then the owner of the data takes another cut. Third party uses it, and so on and so forth. It's like an ecosystem where everybody is going to contribute the data to a cloud, a data cloud. Not a data cloud like everybody like cloud, but a data specific where all the data lives. Why? Because big data is big, and you can be moving it around. So it's better to have it in one big cloud where everybody can share and use after appropriate entitlements, of course. And we're working in that direction for later down the road.
Excellent. Well, thanks so much for being with us. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. My pleasure.